Forgot my motorcycle key. This weekend we spent some warm days amongst the pinyon trees at high elevation in the desert. Our friends Matt and Tracy joined us with their crew, Jack and Dylan. Hands down, Matt can always find the coolest campsite in the desert. It must be his Eagle Scout instincts. You always know there's something better around the corner.
Somebody in both the spots here. So there's like 2 more spots now. I think you guys are gonna like it.
Okay, I like it.
Look. You see the little tree down there? Yeah. That's Borrego Springs. That's where we were.
Forgot the motorcycle key, so I'm gonna try to hotwire the bike. So I need to find which is the ignition wires. I think it's this one. I needed a mini jumper cable. Luckily, we had some spare wire under the Javelina. I'm gonna take some wire for the hot wire project. You're right. This is actually the switch. I was thinking the button. This is just like the starter button. So I think it's more
The switch,
disconnect
right?
the switch. Like disconnect this and then find whichever wires are the 2 ignition wires, and you just loop it.
Okay.
Still
use the starter button.
I'm just bypassing the switch.
Yeah.
How do I know which 2 to jump? If the lights come on, then it's the right one. So.
That's the good one.
We're gonna go brown to brown. Why not?
Oh, you got it. That's it.
Did something come on?
Yeah.
Something happened. What came on? Lights didn't come on. Oh my god.
Did you forget what it was?
No, it was brown to yellow. There's 2 browns, and we're going brown to yellow and brown.
Yeah,
So
there
it's
goes
on.
something.
We got power.
Yeah.
It started. This is totally safe. And then just stop it. That's good stuff. Thanks, Google.
You gotta pick up the ball, like you just did. But if you try to pick it up and you accidentally drop it, then you gotta try and run and touch the rock.
Oh, you hit him! Hit him! That mean if I got him, it doesn't go.
Okay, so Jack, do not turn your face around. Always look at the wall.
Now you get to throw it at him.
Here's the nuts out. Part of nuts up.
Pull your shirt up.
Oh, get him, Dad! Get him! Jack, you better run!
Oh God! A terrible throw.
Okay. Hey, look, I'm trying to feel this. Whoa. Jack, be careful. Oh, you better run, Jack. If that's you.
That's bad.
I need to go.
I think you had the right idea. Coming up the big rock, yeah.
I think you can't stop and then go. All right, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Go.
Money.
Barrett said I wheelied off of the last rock. I don't know if it was on camera. And I can assure you it was not intentional. So we're on the west and top side of Pinyon Drop. I should be able to get up this, I think. I did not mean to go straight into the front.
You just want to go to the left.
Well, I never made it past this rock, so we didn't make it to Pinyon Drop, but maybe next time.
Forgot the key, so we hot wired the bike. Trace the ignition wire taped up. Works like a champ. Need to disconnect it so that the battery doesn't go dead, because basically right now the ignition is on with this little jumper cable. So eventually you'll find the right combo of which holes to connect. I got lucky on the second try. And basically shoving this little jumper wire in connects the switch.
There's fun point.
Moral of the story is, we need more riding practice on technical terrain. We'll be spending time at McCain Valley and Corral Canyon this summer to work on climbing over rocks and ledges. We hope to see you out there.